time to test out this Supernova. And I'm going to start with just setting it for maximum width zigzag and short stitch with no cam inside. So it should just do alright. There we go, it's making a zigzag. Now, getting a little bit of tugging underneath, so we'll raise our tension and reverse it so I know where I switched my tension. When I'm doing a test swatch like this and I'm adjusting tensions, I like to do a reverse everywhere that I switch my tension. But raise that a bit more. I did not check the tension on this bobbin case before I got going, and I feel like it's maybe a bit high. Nope. Bobbin case feels good. Alright, well. There. Finally got it pretty even there. So it's close. The tensioner is working in the middle of the range on the side here. We'll just check our there's our needle bar position, so I can get our 3 needle bar positions. Alright, now for the real thing, let's try the cam system. So the Supernova has an array of individual discs, and you can build 3-layer cams out of all of the discs in the kit, but it also includes some very common basic designs that everyone is going to want to use. So I'm going to put this one in. This is supposed to be a there we go. Nice square pattern. Make sure that it fits snugly all the way down onto the cam thing, and then the big flap on the back is the cam lifter. And this dial here has an arrow for off, and then there's a diamond, and this shifts to the controllers working, and there's they call it the stitch regulator, or the design regulator, and there's a big diagram in the manual for all of this, but I'm going to start by trying our regulator on 1 and seeing what we get. Alright, and 1 is making the nice square pattern that it showed on the top of the cam. But if I switch this over to 4, it really stretches the design out. See, that was the design on 1, and then this is the design on 4. Very stretched out. And now the other, get our lever and lift our cam out. The other feature that this machine has, and it needs to have the cam set for the diamond. It's got this big buttonhole lever. And so we need to, and the buttonhole lever has 3 positions. So let me figure out what this one is. That is the reverse right side. So presumably the middle is, yep, the middle is the bar tack, and left is forward left. And then we center it up. Okay. Yeah, it got bunched up under there on the buttonhole, but it does do forward and reverse with the buttonhole key here. So that's really neat, and the manual just has pages and pages of all the cam patterns that are available. So I'll probably include a couple of those sheets on the end of the video to see what they look like. This machine is really working well now.